The Warriors in Memphis getting the kind of hard-nosed battle they've come to expect from the Grizzlies over the past several years, and some foul trouble amongst the starters not helping the cause. Yet Stephen Curry with a solid night, scoring a game-high 37 points with 6 three-pointers. Klay Thompson with a pair of treys while accounting for 14 points on the night. And Kevin Durant worked to key a late comeback. KD with 13 boards and 29 points, but the Warriors fall in Memphis 111-101. Here's Coach Kerr.
The fouls, we're just continuing what we were doing in the preseason. It was blatant in the preseason, and our habits are just really bad. A lot of reaches, a lot of silly ones late in the shot clock. We're getting into the bonus earlier. We're getting our opponent in the bonus early, and that way when we do have to take a foul, that's a good foul. It's 2 free throws anyway, so it's a major problem for us right now. We've got to be able to defend without fouling.
And now the team leaves Tennessee as it is on to Texas, as the Warriors will face the Mavericks on Monday night in Dallas. In Memphis, I'm Lawrence Scott.